Hello everyone, this is Kaf over here, and today I am going to speak about the biography of Mahatma Gandhi. As we all know that Mahatma Gandhi was very great freedom fighters, and he has done
Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. Okay,
Mahatma Gandhi ji was a great freedom fighter, and he has done many things for us and for our nation. Many things for us and our nation, and he spent his whole life in a jail, and he has done a lot of things for our country. And if I come to his biography, so he was born on 2nd October in 1869, and in his childhood he
on
was
2nd October 1869.
On 2nd October 1869. At his childhood, he was an average student, but he never believed in cheating. When he was a boy, so he greatly influenced by Harish Chandra and Sarvana Kumar.
He was greatly influenced.
He was greatly influenced by Harish Chandra and Sarvana Kumar. And if I come to his studies, so he has completed his study from Gujarat. And
if I come to his education, yeah.
If I
or
come
educational background.
If I come to his educational background, so he completed his primary education from Gujarat, and after matriculation he went to go London because of further study of law.
He had to go to London.
He had to go to London because further study of law. And when he completed his study,
because of further study of law, he had gone to London to study law, or he had gone to London for further study.
He had gone to London for further study.
Further study means आगे की पढ़ाई. Yes.
And when he completed his study, then he returned to India, but he hadn't anything to do. He hadn't any case to fight. Then his cousin referred him a case which is held in South Africa, and he went. Which was held in South Africa. Then he went to South Africa, and once a day in South Africa he was traveling by a train.
Not once a day, once upon a time, or one day. Either you say once upon a time, or you say one day. He was traveling in a train. Yes.
One day he was traveling in a train, and the white people came and threw him out of the train. And on that time he decided to remove all these victims or racists from there. And
then he decided to remove this kind of atrocity or exploitation or this kind of insult, humiliation.
Then on that time he decided to remove all these exploitation which is went on the
all such exploitations,
with all such type of exploitations. And he worked on that, and he was able to remove all the exploitations from South Africa. And he delivered all the rights from their citizens. And after won that movements or Kate,
not he didn't deliver anything there in that form. Actually he fought for the right of black people. He fought for the rights of black people there.
He fought for the rights of black people, and he was able to achieve the rights. And
yeah, great.
And after that, when he came back to India, so he saw that there is also Indians were being exploited by Britishers or white government. So he decided to taught Indians many things. Firstly he joined the Congress party, and
firstly he joined second form.
Firstly he joined the Congress party, and after joining the Congress party, he went in a meeting. I think that meeting was held in Hindi Vishwavidyalaya, and in that meeting
was held in Kashi Hindu Vishwavidyalaya. That meeting was held in Kashi Hindu Vishwavidyalaya.
That meeting was held in Kashi Hindi Vishwavidyalaya.
Yeah.
And
Kashi Hindu Vishwavidyalaya means BHU, Banaras Hindu University. Good.
And on that time he told about the poverty of India and poor of India. So and after that he became the leader of Congress party, and he became the leader of our freedom, and he taught many things for Indians, such as he has
He taught, not taught. It is taught. T-A-U-C-S-T.
he taught many things Indians, and
He taught many things to Indians.
he taught many things to Indians, and apart from these things, he he launched many movements, and such as Satyagraha movements, Dandi movements, and non-cooperation movements. And he has the two strongest power. First one is non-violence, and the second one is Satyagraha. Firstly, he launched the Satyagraha movement, and due to the Satyagraha movement, many Indian participated in Satyagraha movement, and because of that.
Firstly, he actually started non-cooperation movement. Yeah, non-cooperation, asahयोग आंदोलन. Yeah, okay. Carry on.
Firstly, he started non-cooperation movement, but he also started the Satyagraha movement, and in Satyagraha movement, because of the participation of in Satyagraha movement, many people had to go in jail, and
Many people. Yeah.
and even Gandhiji had to also go to in jail, and after many movements Gandhiji came back to jail, and he has launched more and more.
Came back from the jail.
Came back from the jail,
Or
and
Gandhiji was released from the jail. Yeah, the better word is Gandhiji was released.
Gandhiji was released from the jail, and after returning the jail, he has launched many more movements to deliver the.
After returning from the jail. Yeah.
After returning the jail, he has launched many
the jail.
from the jail. He has launched many movements, and
He launched, not he has. He launched.
he launched many movements, and he also focused on poverty of India, and
He also focused on.
poverty of India, and he saw that many peoples were being exploited. The women's
Never say peoples, okay? People. Yeah.
Many
no need
people.
to put S there. Yeah, many people.
many people were being exploited, and the condition of women was not good on that time. So he focused on that things, and he refused
Those
to
things.
those things, and he refused
Not things.
things, and he refused to wear expensive clothes.
Not beer. Wear. W-E-A-R. Wear.
He
Yeah.
refused to wear expensive clothes. He wore loin clothes. He started wearing loin clothes, and it is a very great shame. It is a matter of great shame that he was shot dead by his countrymen, and who shot him. That was Nathuram Godse. He thought that Gandhiji has given many things to Pakistan, and Gandhiji had done many things for Muslim. He had not anything do for Hindus, and
He had not done anything for Hindus.
he had not done anything for Hindus, and because of that, on the 30th January, in the evening of 30th January in 1948, Gandhiji was dead, and
Gandhiji was assassinated, or Gandhiji was killed. Better to say assassinated. And if any problem in pronouncing the word, then you may say that was killed
Gandhiji was assassinated, and
by
it was,
Nathuram Godse.
and it is a matter of very great shame, and that was the darkest hour for us. And Jawaharlal Nehru said that Gandhiji is a sign of our nation, and on that day we lost such a leader who never cheated us, who always focused on our country, who always focused to grow up our country, and he had done many things to make our country independent, and we should always respect Mr. Mahatma Gandhi ji, because
He focused on to develop our country, not grew up. Develop.
he focused on to develop our country, and we should always respect our country, because we shall never find such a person who had sacrificed his life to do many things for his country. And at last I would like to thanks to Mr. Deepak sir, who given me this beautiful opportunity to speak in front of you, and as well as sir, in front of sir also. Thank you for listening to
I
me.
would like to give thanks to Deepak sir, or you may say I would like to thank Deepak sir. Okay.
I would like to thank Deepak sir.
Not thanks. I would like to thank Deepak sir.
I would like to thank Deepak sir,
Yes.
who gives me such an opportunity who gave me such an opportunity to speak in
Such an opportunity.
such an opportunity to speak in front of you. Thank you for listening to me.
Okay, very good. बहुत अच्छा.